If we could look back 3.7 billion years in the past, we would witness life emerging on Earth. Even today, around 1.7 million species exist on this planet. For a long time, humans were confused about how life began on Earth. The answer to this question was often attributed to a concept known as creationism. Creationism is a religious belief that asserts the entire universe was created by a superior power. People who believe in creationism often have stories and religious beliefs explaining how life came to be. However, things took a turn when Charles Darwin's famous book, The Origin of Species, was published. In this groundbreaking work, Darwin proposed the theory of evolution, which suggested that all species on Earth, including humans, share a common ancestor and have evolved according to their natural conditions. Because of his revolutionary ideas, Charles Darwin is considered the father of modern biology. But my question is the concept of evolution really just 100 years old, or did ancient Indian sages discover and identify the concept of evolution thousands of years before Darwin? In this intriguing video, we'll explore the connection between Darwin's theory of evolution and the teachings found in the ancient scriptures of India. Could it be that Darwin's theory finds its roots in the rich and ancient wisdom of India? Whenever there is a decline in righteousness and an increase in unrighteousness, I manifest myself on this earth. This is what Lord Krishna said to Arjuna before the battle of Kurukshetra in the Bhagavad Gita. Several Puranas also describe the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu, known as the Dashavatara. The Dashavatara refers to the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, starting from the Matsya, fish avatar, and ending with the Kalki avatar. This sequence has piqued the interest of many modern scholars. In Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, more than 1,400 years ago, the 10 avatars of Vishnu were carved onto a pillar. When we discuss the Dashavatara, it's important to note that these incarnations appeared on Earth in a specific order, and disrupting this order in the carvings was considered significant. The evolutionary theory proposed by Darwin starts with the belief that life began in water. Interestingly, the first avatar of Vishnu, Matsya, was a fish. According to the Yajurveda, one day King Manu saved a small fish, which later informed him of a coming flood and advised him to build a boat. During the flood, the fish, Lord Vishnu and the Matsya avatar, guided Manu's boat, saving humanity. This avatar can be seen as a reflection of Darwin's idea that the first life forms originated in water bodies. Moving forward, the next avatar is the Kurum, tortoise, symbolizing the stage when organisms began to adapt to life on land. The third avatar, Varha, boar, emerged when the demon Hiranyaksha submerged the earth into the cosmic ocean. To save the earth and restore order, Vishnu took the form of a boar and defeated Hiranyaksha. This avatar represents the transition from aquatic to terrestrial life forms, just as Darwin's theory of evolution suggests. The fourth avatar, Narasimha, half man, half lion, marks the next significant evolutionary step. This form, a blend of man and beast, symbolizes the transition from animal to human-like forms. After Narasimha, Vishnu took the form of Vamana, dwarf, representing a fully evolved human being. This avatar aligns with the evolution of human intelligence and civilization, marking the beginning of structured societies. The sixth avatar, Parshurama, is associated with the advent of tools and weapons. Parshurama, known for his axe, represents the early human stage where man began using tools for survival. Lord Rama, the seventh avatar, embodies the concept of a civilized society governed by law and order. His life, as described in the Ramayana, showcases the importance of justice, relationships, and moral values, marking a significant evolution in human social structure. The eighth avatar, Balrama, is linked with agriculture and the development of farming communities. This stage represents the agricultural revolution, which was crucial for the establishment of stable human civilizations. The ninth avatar, Krishna, is often seen as a statesman and politician, guiding society through complex moral and philosophical challenges. Krishna's teachings in the Mahabharata emphasize the importance of political welfare and practical wisdom in human society. Finally, the 10th avatar, Kalki, is prophesied to appear in the future, riding a white horse and bringing about the end of the current age, Kali Yuga, to usher in a new era of righteousness. Darwin's theory may not account for this stage, but the way our ancestors envisioned these avatars suggests a deep understanding of the evolutionary process, both physically and spiritually. Some may not agree with the connection between Darwin's theory and the Dashavatara, arguing that interaction between humans and these avatars occurred only when life forms were still in their nascent stages. However, it's essential to recognize that the ancient texts combine scientific and spiritual knowledge to enhance our understanding of the world. So, what have we learned today? We've explored how Darwin's theory of evolution, proposed merely a few centuries ago, aligns with the insights discovered by our ancestors thousands of years ago. This connection is fascinating, and whether you agree or not, it offers a new perspective on the relationship between ancient wisdom and modern science. SoulQuest, we encourage you to think openly and critically. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing topic, please let us know in the comments, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. After all, knowledge grows when shared. Thank you for joining us on this journey at SoulQuest.